Let's walk through the simplest way to onboard a new client now. So the way that I like to do it, based on our templates that we already created when we were going through the subscription package training on how to do that. You likely already have a premium package made. You already have a modified and probably a monthly package just for practice to go through and use these as a template. So the simplest way that I like to do before I onboard a new client, before I get on a call even with a new potential client, I go in here and I choose which one I think that they're probably going to go with. And I'll click the three dots. I'll click duplicate. And then we're just going to rename it. So we've used John Smith enough. Let's go with Jane Smith. Okay. Here comes Jane Smith coming on a call. Jane Smith custom package. We'll just start with that. Maybe we don't know exactly what she's coming to us for or general. We'll just keep it basic like this because we'll be able to edit this later if we need to. So we'll save that. And it's actually going to bring it into the in progress portion of our subscription package page. So you have your published and then you have in progress. So when I'm on the call with Jane and she decides that she wants to get going, you're going to easily come in here, click Jane Smith. Everything should still be in here. Maybe you want to customize this a little bit. You now realize it's for a shoulder. You're going to keep it one-on-one, weekly basis. You can quickly browse through these while you're on the call to make sure everything looks good. Maybe she wasn't okay with the $500 price point and you need to change it to $450, okay, to get her across the line. And then you can simply publish that. So now her package is now published in the published section. And so all we're going to do is simply go to the three dots here for Jane while she's on the call with us to get her going. And you're going to click share. You're going to click share and copy this link here and send this over to Jane, either via text, either via the chat feature if you're using Zoom or Google Meet, or email even. And you're going to send this link directly over to her. This will take them directly to the patient browser version. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it and add it in here to show you what it'll look like on the client side. When she goes to the link, it'll bring up the web browser version of the application in this page here. This will be a summarized page of what she will have access to, the price point, and how to subscribe. If this is somebody that you have not worked with before, simply click on the subscribe button and we'll walk through this exact process. If it's somebody that you have worked with in the past that has already created a VH360 patient profile account, they can simply go to already have an account and click here. But let's walk through what this will take them through. So I am using an instructor version. So we're going to go ahead and just put in some numbers here. Oops, 424242. We'll do Jane Smith. We're going to do here. And then you're going to want to make sure that they utilize an email that they have access to. So you can walk them through this entire process. So they're going to need to get, I'm going to have to use my actual email here to get the verification code. Make sure it is one that they can have access to as well. Click verify. They'll get a one-time password sent to them. Make sure that they also check their spam here in case it comes through on the spam. And we're going to go here. Got my one-time password, 881791. And then you're going to make sure that you have access to the phone number as well. And click make payment. After they have been subscribed and that payment has went through, they will get this success. Your package is ready. Your payment's in process and successfully your account has been created. Your login details have been sent to the email that they have been have implemented here. Please check your inbox for a temporary password and account details. You can also click below to begin your package immediately. So what I would recommend is at this point, go to your dashboard and make sure it is reflected in your dashboard. The payment has went through, and then you can prompt them to go through either starting their package from here on whatever device that they're using, or they can go through their email and set up their temporary password. So let's go through start package, and it's going to get this introduction video here.
Welcome
So after you hit that start package button, this is the page that they will have access to now. And you can walk them through what they should see on their program. If they are just getting started and you have not uploaded any programs or workouts or anything, there's probably going to be nothing for them yet to have access to. The package that they're subscribed to should be here, but again, you haven't integrated any programs into that yet as well. The chat feature and my calendar. The next thing that I would walk them through as a new client is actually downloading the app to whatever device they're going to be using. And when they do that, they're going to want to go back to their email and find that temporary password to get logged into the account that they've created. So if I were to take my phone and download the app through the App Store, the email that they should receive is a VH360 app email, and it'll give them a temporary password to utilize. It says, "Hi, Jane Smith, your account has been successfully created. We're happy to have you on our platform. To get started, make sure you have completed your profile setup so you can start crushing those fitness goals with no interruption. Account credentials has my email, and it has a temporary password." And that's what they'll utilize when they download the account and log in for the first time. And that is simply how you get a new client onboarded. Again, if it is someone that has already created a subscription package and been a previous patient, they will simply just log into their account and hit subscribe.